Tired of Zillow showing you houses miles away from where you actually want to live? Let's cut to the chase and show you how to use Zillow's Circle Map tool to pinpoint your dream location. First, head over to Zillow.com and enter the city, neighborhood, or address you're interested in into the search bar. Once the map loads, look for the Draw button, usually located on the top right corner of the map. Above the filters, click on it. A small menu will pop up giving you two options. Select Draw Circle. Now, click on the map to set the center point of your circle. This is where the heart of your search area will be. Next, drag your mouse outwards. You'll see the circle expand. This adjusts the radius, defining how far from the center you want your search to extend. Once you've got the circle covering your desired area, release the mouse button. The properties within that circle will now be displayed, filtering out everything else. Click the Filters button at the top if you want to narrow your search further. And there you have it, a super precise way to find the perfect home in the exact area you want, using Zillow's Circle Map tool. Happy house hunting!